Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make like this. In this tutorial, we use the particular plugin from the Trapcode suite created by Red Giant. It's very easy. Let's go. First, I'm going to open a new project. Create a new comp. Composition name, New Year. I'm using 1920 width by 1080 height. 30 frames per second. 10-second long. Click OK. Create a new solid. Call it BG. Click on Make Comp Size. Then click OK. Go to Effects and Presets. Choose Gradient Ramp. Drag it into our BG solid. Go to Ramp Shape. Choose Radial Ramp. Drag the start ramp position to the middle. Choose any colors you want. Create a new text. Start typing your text on the screen. Press on the Pan Behind tool, then drag the position into the middle. Press S on your keyboard and scale your text. Also, you can choose any font you want. Create a new solid. Call it 2022. Then click OK. Go to Effect, RG Trapcode and choose Particular. Let's open up the emitter section. Change emitter type from point to text or mask. Change all these velocity to 0. Velocity. Velocity random. Velocity distribution, and velocity from motion. Change the particle set to 1360. Go to Text Mask. Then change the layer from none to your text. Turn of your text on your timeline. Now open Particle section, then go to Size, make it 2. Go to Color over Life. Change at Start to over Life. Then choose any colors you want. Next, go to Physics. Air. Turbulence field. Change after size to 4. And scale to 30. Also go to O section. Change Emit to continuously. Then go to Size, make it 2. And go to Set Color, then change at Start to Color over Life. Choose any colors you want. Then go to Effect, Stylize, Glow. Create a new solid. Call it Fireworks. Then click OK. Go to Effect, RG Trapcode and choose Particular. Click on Designer. Go to Basics and choose Explosion. Then click OK. Now open Particle section. Go to Color over Life. Change at Start to over Life. Then choose any colors you want. Create a new solid. Call it Particles BG. Then click OK. Go to Effect, RG Trapcode and choose Particular. Let's open up the Emitter section. Change emitter type from point to box. Change all these velocity to 0. Open emitter size and change X and Y size. Now open Particle section. Go to Color over Life. Change at Start to over Life. Then choose any colors you want. Thanks for watching and goodbye.